Hi guys, wish you all a very happy Diwali and have a prosperous new year in the coming time. And guys, as the festive season has arrived, we have got to you a gorgeous fragrance by the house of Amouage. It's called as Boundless. Boundless is basically a 2021 release, which is a woody, spicy fragrance for men as well as for women. Yes, guys. Lately, when Christopher Chong, the CEO and the creative director of Amouage, resigned, the new person in charge has created fragrances which are quite, I would say, substantial. They are quite easy to wear, and uh, even though they are exotic, they does not feel like that you are getting suffocated, because earlier Amouage fragrances was something, it was, I would say, it was very polarizing. Like, for example, Interlude, there are people who love it to the core and there are people who hate it to the core. There is no midline. But lately, their new releases like Boundless, Crimson Rock, Meander, Enclave, and so on and so forth, these guys have been doing a wonderful job, I would say. Because, see, ultimately, the purpose of niche fragrances or any fragrance per se is to make people smell good, and also people should love it. It should not be that challenging that they cannot actually wear it in the social environment. And now, talking about the scent, let me tell you guys, at Amouage with Boundless, they have created a very aromatic fragrance. It's a very woody, very spicy fragrance. And let's do a quick testing of this gorgeous fragrance. Whoa, guys, this is an instant love, I would say. I'm not very sure that women can actually pull off the top notes, but let's see how it dry downs. The initial whiff actually gives me a lot of amber note. It has that pepper note which is very tingy. I would say it's a zest of pepper. It's very peppery in the start, and it's taking a way towards Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. I'm getting a little bit similarity, not a similarity exactly, but it gives me a dimension of Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. This one has a huge dose of tobacco. At the top note, I'm getting a lot of cumin as well. Yes, guys, that's making the fragrance more spicy, but the pepper note in this one is very damn good, I would say. Very good stuff. And when we talk about the main accords of Boundless, Boundless is a basically fragrance which features amber, it has tobacco, it has woody notes, it has a little bit of oud, it has cardamom, and also in the start it has a bitter orange note. And guys, what I feel that it's the main accord of Boundless is basically tobacco. Now, when we talk about niche fragrances and tobacco, there are super hit fragrances based on tobacco like Perfume de Marly Carlisle, Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille, Perfume de Marly Herod, and many others to name. But this one is in quite an exception. It's basically what I feel. I have already done testing of this one before, like 2 days back. I gave it a full wearing, and it sustained for more than 10 hours, guys. Yes, guys, I got more than 10 hours of longevity with this one. The projection was not that great, I would say, but it actually got me unsolicited compliment from a fellow passenger. And when we talk about the notes, I feel that it's giving me a little bit similarity with Roja Enigma. That boozy Coca-Cola note is actually infused in this one, while tobacco note is not at all harsh. It's a very manly tobacco. It's a very mass appealing tobacco. Like, if you guys love Spice Bomb Extreme by Victor and Rolf, or per se if you like Bulgari Man in Black, you'll definitely go head over heels with this one. This is a very safe Amouage to have. And when we say that the fragrance has to be niche, not only in the terms of performance but also in the terms of smell, I reckon that this fragrance will be an hardcore tobacco based lovers actually ideal delight, because this is a very very warm sort of a scent, very I would say and a very ideal fall and winter sort of a scent. And when we look at the box, it comes in a very beautiful box. Just have a look, guys. It's a multicolor box. I'm not gonna unbox it right now because I have a tester bottle of this one. But when we say that a fragrance from Amouage has to be unique, this is something actually ideal, and I am sure that in the coming time Amouage is gonna launch many other beautiful fragrances, and this one is going to win hearts for whoever tries this fragrance. So guys, that's it for now. And also let me tell you that this one retails for 22,000 rupees for 100 ml, and I think Amouage actually falls in the proper niche line when we talk about the pricing. It's little high talking about the Indian clientele, but it's a good fragrance. So guys, if you love this video, please I request you to like, share and subscribe, and also do let me know if you have tried any of the latest Amouage fragrances. Till then, take care, Shaba Khair, bye bye, and also celebrate this Diwali in a most enlightened manner. Thank you so much guys, take care, bye bye.